Ang bait. Opo, mabait po ako. Lagi pong may opo. Mabait po ako, mabait. Universal. Ophelia G, thank you for joining me. Kaya, nagrakaya dahil pag isang sanggira ko. Abort! Hello, Mr. Pisces. Dan, thank you for tapping the screen, guys. Maraming salamat po sa mga nagjo-join sa aking live. And don't forget to like my live, guys. Bakit ka mabait? Ayaw mo po? Ano po gusto mo? Hindi ka magagalit? Hindi po ako magagalit po. Hi, Conching Agabo. Good afternoon, Conching. Salamat for being the #1 viewers on my live. Good afternoon, Conching Agabo. Shout out. Shout out to you. Have a nice day. Hi, Das, the second placer of being the viewers on my live. Thank you, guys. And the third place is no one. Third place, Elias Daile. Thank you, Elizar Daileg. Hello po. Jose Luis Navarro. And the fourth place is, guys, mag-like kayo para naman may place kayo. And the fourth place, ayan, the fourth place, Jose Luis Navarro. Guys, don't forget to like live. Ayan. Sino kaya ang fifth place? And the fifth place, MDTV Vlog. Wow. Yahoo! And the sixth place, ayan, may humabol. Sixth place, Tindoy Channel Mix Vlog. Ayan. Congratulations! Ayan. Kunin nyo po yung premyo nyo pag pag mayaman na ako. Hi, Thomas Knapp. Greetings from Tampa, Florida. Hello, Thomas. Shout out from Florida. Yan, tan-tananan. Wow. Overwhelmed. Don't forget to like my live, guys, and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to push the notification bell button below para updated kayo sa mga bago kong YouTube upload na videos. Ayan, salamat po sa mga nagsusubaybay sa akin, and for everyone na laging nagko-comment, nagtatamsak, nagno-skip ads dyan. Thank you so much. Hi, Hill! Wala kang place ngayon. Bumawi ka na lang bukas.
Bukan.
Ha?
Bukan. Kenapa?
Miday. Miday. Kuwasyo ka na kunni. Mereka na. Oh, what's that? Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Magsama kayo. Ano yun? Sabi niya. Di ko alam. Thailand ata. Hi, Jose Luis Navarro. Shout out. Thank you so much, guys, for joining on my live. Shout out to you, to all of you guys. Maraming salamat. Hello. Ang hirap naman maging seryoso. Parang hindi ko kaya. Ang hirap maging seryoso. Sawadika. Angelo Monasi. Yung sinabi mo kanino, wala. How old are you? I'm turning 26 this year. And you are the one who sponsor my cake. Say Beresima. Hi, Red Kisser. Musta ka na? And watching from Singapore. Hi! How are you, Red Kisser? Bakit naging Red Kisser na? Dapat Great Kisser pa din yan. Hi, Das. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to like my live. And don't forget to fly again helicopter. Kung gusto nyo magpalipad, maglagay lang kayo dyan guys for the stars, for the sake of super chat GPT. Ay, super chat. Tama ba? Super chat? Oo, super chat ba yon? Super thanks, super gifts. Raymark Aguinaldo, hello! Shout out to you! Hello po! Say Bellissima, Bert Window! Hello Bert Window! Shout out! Tan tararan, tan, bish, bang, bang. Pabili po! Ano po bibilhin nyo? Pwede ba? Pwede ko ba ilusot yan? Sige po, bumili po kayo pero payment first policy po tayo guys para next year ko na ipapaship yung order nyo. Santiago, don't forget to like my live guys. Sobrang mahangin dito kasing hangin ni Miss Kalog. Thank you so much guys. Hi Large Rich. Hello. Maandami yun. Basyo. Ano daw? Anong basyo? Basyukin kita gusto mo? Hello. Hello kay Ayon na imbag na malum mo pretty. Wow. Hello Large Rich. Hello. I am Miss Anything. Nice meeting you to all of you guys. I hope you enjoy my live even I'm so very boring. I hope you have fun. No bashing, okay? Naimbag na malum mo pretty. Hello Ayon. Hello po. Mag-comment naman po kayo. Wala po akong makausap. Naboboring po ako. Please. Gusto ko pa rin may kachismisan. Naboboring ako. Please. I'm going on live every day because I was so boring. I want to have people to talk to me. Only a friend. Or anything you want to talk to me. What topic you want to open to me. But it's good. It's in a nice way, okay? Good afternoon. Hi, Ramil Bernabe. Hello, good afternoon from New Zealand. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Service Profit. Thank you for following me. Don't forget to like my live. And don't forget to fly away. Fly away. Hand heart TikTok universe lang. Single ka? Single, yes, I'm single. No double because if I have the double, financial problem ulit. Hi, Chiga. I'm not Chiga. Hi, guwapa host. Kaganda mo pala nung bata ka, nung cute ka pa. Ay, get. Paano ngayon? Yes, I do. Come speak Philippines. Ay. Yes, I do. Ano yan? Will you marry me, Kenard? Hindi ka nag-work? Hindi. Tindera ako. Tindera po ako. Nagtitinda po ako ng sardinas, ebap, Alaska, tsaka Fresca tuna. This is my mini store. Ayan. May tinda na akong 4 na sardinas, 3 mantika. Bili-bili na kayo. Pautang daw ako. Hindi pwede utang dito. Kasi alam niyo naman, 3,000 lang ang puhunan ko, tapos uutangin mo pa. Ha? 3,000 lang naging kapital ko, ha? Tapos ang tubo ko lang dito, 300. Maawa ka. Bawal utang, yes. No credit, okay? Because if you're going to credit, I'm so bankrupt tomorrow. Hello, Kantik. Hello, Menitasik. Ayan, bawal ang utang, okay? Huwag kayong umutang. Bawal umutang ako, pwede akong umutang sa inyo. Ganun. Pautang 1 kilong bigas. Sorry po, wala po kaming tindang bigas. Babayaran kita sa cash G, ay? Pay first muna para next year ko na ipapadala. Ganun. Show your outfit. I'm already show here my outfit today. 1 case Red Horse listahan utang. Gusto mo ba sidekick? Hindi na lang, Red Horse ba? Ay, gusto mo lang palang kabayo? You want White Horse para sidekickin kita. Idol! Pa-shoutout kay Tito Jack ng USA sa Daily TV. Hello! Ayan, hello kay Jack. Jack Coke ng USA. Hello po. Pocari Sweat, how much? Bakit? Agtaki ka? Hi, Hoy, Lox, magkano sardinas? Sabi ni George. Ayan. Ang sardinas ko lang, sobrang mura. 62 pesos only. Payment first policy, cash G, guys. Bili-bili na kayo, guys. Ayan. Maubos na. Malapit na mag-sold out ang Fresca Tuna. Fresca Tuna, the best seller ko dito. Ayan. May 4 pa pong natitira yan, guys. Aray ko, mapapaside cake ko ako. Ay, oo, ayaw mo ba nun? Ano gusto mong cake? Red velvet? Idol, pa-pronounce po, Jack Coke. Na-pronounce ko na ha. Ano bang problema mo ha? Nagigigil ako sa'yo. Nalin Pimentel. Hello, Brazil Base Otap. Salamat sa mga bag. Hi, dear! Hello, bakit kamusta na? Kastilat ta. Umububi nga mutlakay. Adi sa Chawan Hali. Hello, Adi. Salamat sa mga bagong join. Guys, don't forget to like my live, guys, para dumami ang ating viewers. Salamat sa mga bagong join dyan. Wag na wag niyong kakalimutan Ay! Langit kanwang ka. Ay. Wait lang. Patalastas, guys. Hi, everyone. Hi, Susana Morijon. Still watching. Salamat, Bert Window. Shout out. Hey, you're pretty troublemaker, aren't you? Huh? I'm not a pretty girl. I'm not a troublemaker. Si Cook Bagi Duo. Ano daw? Guys, mag-Tagalog kayo. You speak English because I'm not talking to another language. I'm only using Tagalog, English. Edukado. Hi, Mayo Igo. Salamat sa mga bagong join dyan. Idol, ano po sa Ilocano ang pogi? Ayan. Nataraki! Diba, alam ko. Nataraki. Nataur. Ajay lang, tamo. Hi, Chris Cortez. Salamat. Anong brand ng sardinas binebenta mo, ma'am? Huwag kang grrr. Dami yung grrr. Hi, where are you from? Ako suka ka mo. Hello. Sutam, Rizal Bandung. Thank you so much for joining on my live, guys. Jackson Ribeiro. Salamat po sa mga bagong join. Happy birthday kay Teresa Bartolome. Ayan. Hi! Good afternoon. Yung maganda, ano yung Ilocana? Napintas. Naimma. Ano pa ba? Basta kasay, napintas. Naimma. Nakapankalaon yun ante made. Awang kwarta. Awang awan ti pag bakasyon ko. So nga datoy labalay nakakulong. Apay problema. Adda nataki pero adda kiki. Anak ano? Bert Window, thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. What English of your channel description, Ragragsak? Ragragsak is for entertainment, fun, like that. Being happy, Ragragsak kun katawa ko na. Thank you so much, Chris. Shout out to you. Thank you so much for the rose. Nagdigos kan ko na. One, napay panagkit-kitam kanyak madyak agdigdigos. Apay kasla na lakalding na panagang angot mo, ha? Ante, mabalin umutang bayadak to. Bawal ang utang po. Kasi 3,000 lang kapital ko dito. Wala pa akong tubo dito. Huwag kang uutang. Saan gusto mo o sidekick? Salinda! Hello, Salinda Priyankara. Hello, where are you from? I am from Philippines. Ayan. In short, US Navy. Yes. United States of Nueva Vizcaya. Oh! John Joseph Roja. Salamat sa mga bagong join dyan. I can't stop the feeling so strong. Ati mo, tagtiri-tiri mo. Dati nga, wow, sarap-sarap. Oh, nice! Do you own a small store? Yes. Ante, mangtad ka man numero tiwiting. Hakagtay tayan. Dati lang ti solusyon na. Hi, Jeric Fernandez. Shoutout. Joseph Torero. Salamat sa mga bagong join. Raymond, I'm from China. Oh, made in China ka. Ako made in Philippines. I love Pilipina. I'm from Malaysia. Apay puro China, Pilipina, Malaysia. Damdam sumuro no. Ni sumuro no. West Philippine Sea. Chinatown, Binondo, Manila. Oh. Sari-sari are so popular in Philippines. Yes, so popular here in Philippines. Handsome nida. Ano handsome nida? Kangsamham nida. Ganun. Kangsamham nida. What stuff you're selling? I'm selling any items, the fast-moving items. Hi from California. Hello, El Chinolas. But I'm Mexico right now. Hi, Raymond Tenorio. San ka sa Pilipinas, ma'am? US Navy po. United States of Nueva Vizcaya. Ante, ada ayos mo, gumatang nak, listampay lang ko na. Ibitak ko di yelo kanyam, tapno mailista. Hello, ma'am. Watching from UK. Hi, Rodolfo De Leon. Dami ungger, ungke. Inyamot Tagalog na ajay. Mexico, Pampanga. Hi, Kensha namnida. Kensha hanamnida. Kensha hanamnida. Kensha na! Ano daw? I'm from New York, Cubao. Hi, Mayo Igo. Mayo Igo. Hello, Mayo. San ka dita, Vizcaya? US Navy nga. United States of Nueva Vizcaya. Kunak lagarodan, nagtangkan taul-ulo. Hello from USA. Hello, Teams Channel. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and push the notification bell button below para updated kayo sa mga bagong upload kong video. Yeah! Ay, matatalo tayo dito. Shout out from Siargao. Hello kay, Carla Nova, Raymond Hotdog, ano daw? Shout out idol watching here from kabilang mundo. Meet you lucky. Ano daw? Kutsare meda. Kutsare meda sameda. Sameda? Yung bagbagayo, pay Koreano kayo, kat Ilocano kayo lang tatay. Paburger ka naman ate. Wow, papaburger. Wala nga akong tindang burger dito. Pa-shoutout po kay Ukin Nam. Hello kay Ukin. Nahilig ka bang magsalita sa English o Tagalog? Sabi niya. Yes, mahilig na mahilig. Hi Lance Q. How? Joshua. Ayan. Hello, Jose Marie Mojica. Nagbastyang ka, Joshua. Ibulong kan. I'm from Gibaras. Hi, Jose Marie Mojica. Much love. Shout out. Miss Kalog. I subscribe you. Thank you, Teams Channel. Palibre na lang Shopee.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, James Spectre TV. Salamat sa mga bagong join. You look like a comedian to me. Are you from Dumaguete? I'm from Capiz. Ano name mo sa FB, ma'am? Miss anything po. Toktik ko, di mo tanungin. I was thinking you were Latina, very pretty. Oh, really? I'm not a Latina, I'm Filipina. Guys, times to gifting points for 22 seconds. Hi, Chad. Hi, USA, California. Hello, Chad. Shout out. Hello po, ma'am. Cute mo naman. Paulito Cruz, shout out po. Gusto ko imong Amerika nga higala. Okay? Guys, speak English, guys, or Tagalog because I don't understand what is Bisaya for you're talking about. Ayos kabardang. Anong ayos kabardang? Do you know how to speak Iranian? No, because I'm a Filipino. I'm Filipina. Meaning of, ma'am, flood control budget asan na? Bakit mo sa akin tatanungin? Hindi ako nasa gobyerno. Magayon nun, no filter. What is your Toktik channel? My Toktik channel is Miss Anything din, guys. Yung profile mo ba yung naka-black ka tapos nakatalikod ka? Hindi Wala. Ang profile ko dun sa Miss Anything sa FB is naka-pink ako, tas straight yung buhok ko. And then yung Toktik ko naman, yung kulot, Kulot ako doon, tapos naka-pink din ako. Archangel ni Lord, thank you for joining, guys. Guys, 1 rose, guys, 4 times 2. Nepo babies ka po. Anong Nepo babies? Pinagsasabi mo, ha? Do you have hello talk? Ma'am, can you be my girlfriend? Ma'am, may Rolls Royce ka ba? Wala. Sira-sirang payong meron. Haha, Victoria hotdog. Ano daw? Tinitigasan ako, sabi ni Christian. Oh, talaga? Nasa kabaong ka ba? Patay ka na siguro, ganyan. Hi, Oregenes, Fritz, Orahela. Salamat sa mga bagong join. Okay lang yan, baka ano. Nasa freezer ka ba? Ha, Christian Mabanag? O nasa morgue ka? First, push! Hello po, good morning! Salamat sa mga bagong join. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Don't forget to like my live and support my YouTube channel. Arsenio Trek, pa-minute burger ka naman, ate. Bakit ka pa-minute burger? Pa-hour burger gusto mo? Sidekick gusto mo? Hay, naku, pag nagtitext ang PLDT, naaalala ko, hulugan na naman. So, agad aduda. Kaya nga, ayan o, naglalabasan sila, di ba? Ma'am, mayaman ka ba? Sabi niya sa akin. Mayaman ako sa pagmamahal, pero sa pera, hindi. Kupal ko na ni Joanne. So, nagkukupal daan ha. Iparangad mo na. Christian Kabaranggaw. Nepo babies si ate. Paano ako naging Nepo babies na pinagsasabi mo? Are you one of wow builder secretary? Nako, hayaan nyo na yung politiko na yan. Wala nang nangyayari sa bansa natin. Nakikialam pa kayo. Naglabsat na ate ababain. Hayaan nyo na doon sila. Kung napunta yung tax natin sa kanila, edi bahala sila sa biyag nila. Ma'am, pautang ng sardinas, sabi niya. Basta ako, hindi ako namumulitika dito. Ayan, mag-live lang tayo. Kanya na politiko na yan. Makapasakit lang tinakam no panunutan nyo. Nakakasama din kasi ng loob kapag iniisip nyo. Mai-stress lang kayo. Hindi sila ang mai-stress. Kasi syempre, natikman na nila yung ganda ng buhay. Tayo hindi pa. Tapos kayo, magpapaka-stress kayo. Hayaan nyo na. USA from California. Pagdasal nyo na lang na maghimas rehas. Crash, balbon ka ba? Sabi niya. Hindi, tao ako. Grabe naman. Ma'am, kaya pala kulang yung bakal sa flood control na sa ipin mo, sabi niya. Flood control, gusto mo, bahain kita. Philippine number 1. Yes, number 1 talaga. Number 1 sa corruption. Hi, Kilyarson. Lola Elito, salamat sa mga bagong join. Tignan nyo, natalo-taloy tayo dito sa live. Bread of Life. GMJ, naranasan na nila agbul sa bulsa. Oo nga. Kailan kaya ako magiging anak ng kontraktor? La 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 la. Okay. Ay, sige, may stopay. You definitely my type. Paampun ka, sabi niya. Ayoko nga, maghihimas rehas ako na maaga. Hoy, Shy! Here I am. How do you do? Kininam, Shy, bagkalang ka. Ma'am, may BF na ba? Wala, GF meron. Magkano dishwashing liquid nyo, ma'am? Ayan, yung dishwashing liquid. Bilhin mo na. Haha, kanta ni Awi. Keep on going at the ascend some good vibes. Oy, natikman man nila ang buhay na maganda, pero para na matutunaw sa kahihiyan. Magiging nepo babies ka na po nang naging anak ka ng contractor. Naalala ko yung ex ko sa'yo. Talaga. Mag-move on ka na kapag naaalala mo yung ex mo sa akin. Kasi once naalala mo yung ex mo, hindi ka nakaka-move on. Maghin-tractor na lang sa bukid. Oo nga, kung hindi nyo kaya na maging anak ng contractor, mag-tractor na lang tayo sa bukid. Panoorin nyo yung video ko dyan na nagtra-tractor ako sa bukid, ha? Is that ring piercing on your tongue? Anong piercing? Anong pinagsasabi mong piercing? Hi, beautiful. Uwi ka na. Hindi na ako galit from Cebu. Ah, bakit ako uwi dyan sa Cebu? Ang layo-layo. Ano, magbabarko ako? Ha? Ma'am, isa lang alam ko, napakaganda mo. Isa lang pala alam mo eh. Dapat madami kang alam, ganun. Jan is going din. Salamat sa mga bagong join. Hello. Marlon Fernandez, don't forget to like my live. Hamster, thank you so much. I dedicated you, my chinita, Albinse song. El Quinolas. Hello, madam, shoutout from Cubao. Christopher Barangay. Hello po. Si ate maganda. Haha, hotdog. Bakit may hotdog sa, Raymond Tenorio? Paborito mo hotdog, no? Bread of Life. 125 na nanonood. Pakilike ang live ni Ganda. 208 na talaga ang 208 ang nanonood, guys. Pero 36 like lang ako. Agbul sa ti Ararawan. Yes. Punta tayo kung hindi tayo magiging anak ng kontraktor, mag-traktor na lang tayo sa bukid at magbulsa tayo ng Ararawan para walang saksakit ang nakom. Miss Kalog, what your first name again? I forgot. What's your name first again? My name is Marjorie. Pwede man ligaw sa'yo, ma'am, para makamove on na ako sa ex ko. Once na niligawan mo ako, hindi na ako makakauwi sa bahay namin kasi ililigaw mo ko eh. Aray ko. Bakit ka naman aray mo? Kinagat ka ba ng kuraranet or burburang eh? Hello, Shy. Kalog namin. Kalog manon. Anami, Shy. Nagtangken agay Marjorie ko na. Sagutin mo na po, ate. Haha. Ano yung tanong mo ba, Raymond? Ano yung sasagutin ko? Hindi ka naman nagtatanong. Diba? Common sense, guys. Paano kita sasagutin kung wala kang tanong? Diba? Hi, Marvin Cinco. Salamat sa mga bagong join. Thank you so much for all your love and support to Miss Kalog, Miss Anna Singh. Birthday, Diyos. Alam mo na, nagtap-tap talaga dito toktik ko. Talaga nga tulong kayo. Yung nanliligaw sa'yo, hindi naman tanong yon, ay hindi naman yon. Di ba sinagot ko na? Sinabi ko kapag ililigaw niya ako, di ako makakauwi sa bahay nila. Nililigaw niya daw ako eh. Pwede man ligaw. Ay, hindi ka pwede, guys. Hindi ka pwede man ligaw ng tao. Mapapahamak ka, maghihimas ka ng rehas ng maaga. Hi, are you from heaven? Ay, grabe. Oo naman, lahat tayo galing sa langit. Ano akala mo? Galing tayo sa impyerno? Ganun. You look like an angel. Oh. Nga? Barya? Madino, kanton, shout out! Naman, John from Saudi. Hello. Hi! Thank you for joining. Numaminsan to. Lala Hes. Nyamot data. Grabe, naligaw lang rehas agad. Oo, ililigaw mo kasi ako eh. Nagistorbo pa ni auntie. Kunan na, supay. Johnny! Hi, Johnny HB502. Salamat sa mga bagong join. Romeo Celis, salamat sa mga bagong join. Don't forget to like my live, guys. Ayan. Me wash out, madam. One. Kunan na ni Penyaranda. Hello, Penyaranda. Thank you for joining. Balik nakdama ko na. Papanam ayaan niya kung bread of life. What's nakum means Marjorie. Nakum is loob. Kalooban. Yan is nakum. Noli Tamayo, shout out Pangasinan. Isang smile naman dyan. Na, na, na. Hi! Good morning!
Hi.
Good afternoon! Apay kasla ala nagludom dating nga kasla matay nga. Data, nalawagon. Apay nga madimot acceptan ate.
Signal.
Kantay kapintasan, tilakan laing pagpalailangam. 24 oras ka na online, puro selfie karga niya ta timeline, kasanungarudan tay pamilyam. So, in the room in Ilocano is nakum room. Yung nakum room na pinagsasabi mo, sabi ko, sakit tinakum o sama ng loob. Nung nakum room. Tomas Abrasado, I'm one of your supporters in Wow Wow Builder Construction. Anong wow wow? Hep hep hooray! Ano yan? Wawawin? Wala nang wawawin sa TV show. Salamat! Mas bagay sa'yo nakasmile. Ante, ayan mo, apay yan, nakakadum ka? Bakit nakapikit ka bang nanonood sa akin? Hi, Aiza Vet! Thank you for tapping the screen, Aiza. Make me win, Aiza! Survive me for this time. Miss Kalog cute naman. Thank you, Jose Marie Mojica. Inside the room means nakum tirong. Ay, why are you laughing me? Ayan ni antim ko na din. Nyang ante. Madi mabalin armon ni nanang kon. Hi Natalie, thank you for joining. Shopling, thank you for joining guys. Mian, 123. Kamusta? Idol, natatawa kami sa'yo ng family ko now. Jologs pero sweet, sabi ni Noli Tamayo. Talaga? Bakit ka tumatawa? Wala ka sa comedy bar. Hi Rita, El Camel. Hello. Marites Lumboy Permanatics. Hello everyone. Sino di madanagan sa ganyang kasasaad? Wow. Ang ganda naman ng pag-iilocano mo. Tagalog Ilocano ko naman. Ganyan ang Ilocano at Tagalog. Halo-halo ko na dagarod mekos-mekos sabi nila. What can you say about the flood control in the Philippines? I can say that sana naging anak na lang ako ng kontraktor. Pagibagaman kini antim agay utang na agbayad isunan ko na nakikdin. Apay titi kag singsinger ti social media, iparngad ka kaya Shout out ma'am from Santa Rosa, Laguna, Romney. Ate, English ka? Hindi, tao ako. English is only a language and a subject. Kaluguranda ka. Idol pa shout out po. Hi kay sa Gip Buhay Vlog. Hello, solo ride leveling. Noli Hinampas. Oy, ganda naman ang apelido mo. Hinampas ka talaga. Anong pinanghampas sa'yo? How much should I earn to marry you? Bakit it's not earning for marry the person. If the person love you, it's not only for earn, okay? Speak ka lang, ano o English. You look familiar. Taga magsingal ka ba? Hindi. Taga US Navy po ako. I am from US Navy. United States of Nueva Vizcaya. Para kanino yung love you, sabi niya. Hindi ko alam. Sino ba nag-I love you dyan? Ilang taon ka na? I'm 26. Blue eyes or green eyes? Ang blue eyes, green eyes. You said that I'm look like a cat? Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. will you know he loves you? Pagkaruba ta nag-uyong kan ko na nakit din. Hi, idol. Nice move. Sir Mundo Sarasosa. How can I move on if you're still in love with you? Cause so one day you wake up, then you find you will see. I know how to Filipino, but I live in United States. 26, akala ko 18. Wow, thank you so much. Pangarap ko yan, maging 18 ulit. Kasi hindi ko naranasan mag-debut. You got me at US Navy. US Navy, I said United States of Nueva Vizcaya. Awan mo't gifter mo dyan. Wala nga akong gifter dito sa ano. Kanina, may napadpad. Nainis siya ata sa kalaban ko. Hater siya ng kalaban ko. Pinanalo ako. Ay, hindi. Munti ka na ako manalo pala. If you will have 800 billion pesos, how will you spend it? If I have 800 billion peso, hindi ko naman may spend yan. I think that I will going to have a foundation, hospitalizations, stray dogs, and 800 billion. Parang hindi ko naman kaya yung gastos eh. Saan ko pupunta yan? Agparte kati manok iso pang tibuli. Pang tibulati. Ano na yan? Hindi ko magets. Do you know to sing the soda pop? I don't know what's to sing for that.
ल गाइस पेट भर्ने गरी टेप टेप हानम अरु त्यस्तै हो
How can I move on if we're still in love with you? Cause so one day you wake up and napinpintas ka dito yung awan filter. Talaga? Nawan filter ko napintasak? Ala! Ikatak-yatagarudan. Ikatak-tato awan filter na. Dati na kon, manong. Hoy! Katungtungan na kon awan filter kon. How can I move on if you're still in love with you? Cause so one day you wake up. Ayan, wala na akong filter dito sa Toktik. You are the most beautiful woman I have seen in my life. Day taman ko na. Inikat ko ti filter ko ti Toktik. Nga maapedalat tamin. Nagalas. Angutom ka no kung na ng scorpion. Sika na aganguto. Nawan pa nagangot ko. Hi, Abril. Abril Montemayor. Shout out ganda. Crush kita from Canada. Umay kat ti Amerikanyo. Braut nita. Madikan agkantag. Tungtung talatan. Kisibilips si ma'am. Anong kisibilips? Reply in English, please. Okay. I reply you. Okay. English, okay. Sir, ang laki naman yan. 700 ako sa islang. Chan Lover. Hello, Chan. Ate, do you have a car? What kind of car you think? Car Royce Royce. Ano ba 'yan? Ano ba yung may payong, yung Royce Roll ba 'yon? Yung may payong. Hi, Ryan Serencio. Bread of Life. Daniela Dubria. Love you, te. Cactus. Anong oka? Chicken Roll Royce. Chicken Roll Royce ba 'yon? Hi, Doming Fajardo. Wala akong Mercedes-Benz car. Ang mahal-mahal nun. Tap like, guys. Let's help Georgetown! Tan tararan. Tan 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 tan. Thank you so much. Nay, apay nga. Hello, Inday. Hello. Paganda ng paganda ka sa paningin ko, Miss Kalog. Ano? Pagbabalik para sa inyong support. Hi, Bread of Life. Ang ganda naman ng pangalan mo, Tinapay ng Buhay. LED, thank you so much. Hello, Beauty, Winoxne. Odal Romeo, salamat sa mga bagong join. Uray ka ti filter ko to LED dito toktik adalat tani. Makita man na da filter na tani. Dito ini dito YouTube walang filter dito sa YT. Hi Miss Beautiful, shout out Tamsak. ICB Mix of Vlog. Ang Panginoong Jesus ang tinapay na nagbibigay buhay. Wow, ang ganda niya. Ngayon ko lang alam yan, Bread of Life. Ang Panginoong Jesus ang tinapay na nagbibigay ng buhay. Oo nga, no? Oo, nagets ko na yan. Napanood ko na yan sa The Bible. Di ba no, nagbigay siya ng tinapay. Ang daming tao. Ang ginawa niya, nagdasal siya. Nagulat sila, dumami yung tinapay. Parang ganon. Hello everyone, shout out from Spain. Dalisay PH. Hello Dalisay, work mood. Dansa mo bukal ko. Ay, akala ko may kuto ako. Wala pala. Hi Rosas Vlog, shout out po hoy. Hello, Jovi Loberiano. Ang cute. Watching from Seoul. Wow, you are in Korea. Anyone here from Indonesia? What's the latest about the latest unrest there of the people? I don't know because I'm not from Indonesia. Pero, grabe nangyari dun sa Indonesia, guys, no? So, sobrang galit nila sa gobyerno. Sinunog nila yung, yung government nila. Yung mga nangurakot. Yung galing pala, hindi lang puro ganda, may pagka-Diyos din. Bless you. Yes! Napanood yun, di ba? Yung The Bible, matagal na yan. Hi, Daddy sa Chawan. Hello, Kantik Romeo Blanquera. Thank you, Eddie. Thank you so much. Roses Vlog. Hello po. Kamusta po kayo? Shout out. Jovi Loberiano. Hello, Jovi. Cause one day you wake up, then you will see. Ay, ano ba yung kanta ko? Positive truth and peace, confident and strong your heart. Together believe and respect goodness heart. Do your best. Thank you ba, Ikhati. Rolls Royce sa mag-asawang daming kotseng million of price. Grabe. Ganyan talaga ang buhay. Talagang ganyan ang Kuranangarod. Alam niyo yan, temptation of what? Imbis na temptation of wife, naging temptation of corruption. Tarararan, tan tararan, tan tan taran tan. Tararan taran taran tan tan. Tararan taran tan tan. Tan taran tan tan taran tan tan. Kita nyo, tumilaok yung kuk-kuk. Gugutom ako. Ano ba pwede ko sa akin? Gusto kong kumain. Tumuwid na ang buhok mo, Miss Kalog. Wig lang kasi yung ginagamit kong kulot. Ang cute mo raw, sabi ni insan ko. Crush ka raw. Kung single ka pa raw. Bakit? Magbibigay ba siya ng sidecar? Ha? Kuya Ganggang! Kamusta ka na, Kuya Ganggang? Ala, talo na naman tayo dito. Guys, magtap-tap naman kayo. Nagagalit na si ate, kuya. Hi, DJ Can Remix. Salamat sa mga bagong join dyan. Hi, DJ Can Remix. Tamsak. Ayan. Add as moderator. Standard. Mga idol, pa-support nyo upload ko. Salamat po. Ayan. Guys, si Kuya Ganggang, pa-support daw yung mga upload niya. Puntahan kita mamaya. DJ Ken Remix, Don't Tap na Lodi, idol pa shoutout po kay Miss Lorna. May Abril from Baby Lete. Bye Lete. Sagip Buhay Vlog. Masaya si ma'am ngayon. Wala siguro silver swan soy. Silver swan soy? Walang toyo, ganon? Walang corruption sa atin. Meron lang koleksyon. Oo, totoo yan. Ang galing talaga ni Georgetown. Palakpakan natin. Diba? Diba? Walang corruption dito, guys. Marami lang talagang nangongolections. Walang corruption dito sa Pinas. Alam niyo ba yan? Marami lang talagang collections. Why some people there says Rolls-Royce cars are expensive while in other countries they use it as a taxi. Oh, really? Ginagamit lang pala na taxi yan sa ibang bansa. Hello, ganda. Pwede ka maging mama ko? Sabi ni papa ko. Hindi pwede. Maging apo mo na lang ako. Hindi pwede maging mama mo ako. Magiging apo mo na lang ako para lolo kita. Joshua Magnet, ipapamagnet kita sa gravity sa Mars ha, para lumipad ka na sa Balaak. Goodbye. Ala, grabe ka naman, Frederick, makapagbobo sa akin. Bobo ka naman. Pero pwede yan, Frederick. Sabi mo sa akin, bobo ka naman. Ikaw din. Pareho tayo. Nagpindas kamit manang ko na. Cute mo, talaga. Kala ko cute akong sakalin. Hide kayo mga ganyan. Oo, inaasar ko lang. Hinide ko na sila. Sarap kasi mang asar dito ng mga nagagalit. Jimboy! Thank you for tapping the screen. Natatawa. Sabihin na yun, nasipa. Oo, sinipa ko na sila. Huwag niyong awayin ang love ko. Sino ba ang love mo? Sino ba yung love mo na yan sa sakaling ko? Apay, adadik kina ta braces mo ko na. Adadik kina ba? Okay, nas mo kalindinis ko lang ate, animal ka. Ha? Tibagbaga ma. Ay, live aid. Ala ko yun ni guys. Ne? Ala, nagpakalaw di pa. Nga ba kalagaro din mo? Taga no ka manang. US Navy po. United States of Nueva Vizcaya. Lalo! Ay. Nagimot ka? Malunggay ang nasa ngipin na. Anong malunggay pinagsasabi mo? Nasaan yung malunggay dyan, ha? Parangad ka sa lipong dulo. How can I move on if you're still in love with you? Cause so one day you wake up. May anak ka na ba ate? Wala pa. Kamukha mo si Miss Agado. Mas maganda pa si Miss Agado kaysa sa akin, no? La 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 la. Bambang ka ading madi tao na. Sika. Napinpintas kang ala madi mo ta Ellie. Napinpintas na Hello, napintas Miss Kalog. Hi Yudes. Para kang si Aramina, ma'am. Aramina. Parang yung ano ba yung palabas niya na mukha siyang si Bebang? Ikaw love ko, Miss Kalog. I love you bakit? Agsinapan. Hanak awag-awagan nga bakit tamadi ka nga lakayon? Madi ka kayaton? Joke lang. Parang si Aramuna yan kung na ni Richard. Bakit kaya, pag may nagsasabi na maganda ako, tapos biglang sasabihin pangit mo? Toy tuktik ko na. Ay, kasi ba? Hi, Mohamed Yunus. Taga-nuka. Napintas ka kung anong madi ka na daldal ko lang ni Papa.
Hello, namaste.
Hello.
my miss anything. My God.
Yes, Miss Anne.
तपाईँको नामै यो मिस एनिथिङ हो जन्मेदेखि.
Are you drunk?
Yes, I'm a drunk.
Oh. Bulantoy!
Huh?
What kind of alcohol you drink?
Okay. You want to know what kind of drink alcohol I drink?
Your voice is look like nabartag. Nabartag is drunk. Drunken.
I drink Patrao Silver. Sabes, Patrao Silver, you know.
Where is you? I want to see you. Face reveal.
You want to see me? If you see me, maybe you're gonna want me. That's why it's okay. I don't want to show my face. It's okay.
You're unfair because I am face reveal and you have 400 score and me, I'm only 2. What are you doing? I think you use your another cell phone to drop yourself.
You can check, baby, there.
I think that is your technique.
No, I'm the number one hoster, you know.
Ang dami pa rin kapatay ko.
20, dapat 19.
नेपाली जस्तो लाग्छ यार इंग्लिश साँच्चै
O, di manon.
होइन यार proud singer. Oh, you are from Slovenia?
Yes.
I'm from Philippines. US Navy.
Philippines.
US Navy.
Philippines बाट जाना त यार. Okay.
How about you? Where you
That's why
from?
you are so amazing.
Where you from?
Looks amazing.
Where are you from? I said.
I'm from United States of America.
Aha! Me, United States of Nueva Vizcaya.
Yeah. Okay.
How can I move on if you're still in love with you? Cause one day
Do you want to come to United States?
That's better to me.
Comment हेर्नु छैन हेरिरहेको के
Hi, Polly.
जिस्काइदियो यार मैले कमेन्ट हेरेँ अनि
Hi, thank you, Bulantoy. Yay, thank
So
you.
you are getting more, okay?
Bulantoy, more, Bulantoy.
Guys, tap ठगम.
I think you
Tap, tap,
have hangover.
No.
You are
I
not-
never drink alcohol, you know. Just
Oh.
I taste.
Your voice is look like hangover.
Yeah. Yesterday I drank a lot.
Bagay ko,
tequila.
guys.
You know
Wala
the
na kasi ako
tequila?
ipit.
You know the rum?
The rum?
Yes, I drink yesterday a lot rum, you know.
You drink drum?
Yes,
Oh.
I drink a lot rum, vodka.
Really? You are alive today? Then you drink drum? Huh? Obligado. I think
If I'm not alive,
you have
Baby.
ang hangover. You need to rest. Take rest in peace. Bulantoy.
Yes, I need to rest, yeah.
I can reach
You
that
looks
person.
like a more drunk than me.
Huh? I'm not look like
You are
drum.
more drunk than me.
Me? I'm look like drum? OMG, I can see you. Then you
Yes.
said to me that I'm look like drum? Oh,
What do you drink?
drink? Mineral
Yes,
water.
what do you drink?
Mineral water.
Mineral water.
Ano akala mo sa akin?
Mineral water भन्दै खान्छौ क्वाटर.
Mineral water with sunrocks.
This one wrong.
Yes, with Downy Fabcon and surf powder with Ariel. Twin pack.
Okay. Just 40%, yeah, not much.
Do you want drink water with alkaline coffee? With alkaline
Yeah,
drink
I-
with Starbucks?
Whiskey. I don't like whiskey, that's true. I don't like whiskey.
Whiskey? Whiskey lullaby? Bulan.
I'm the bar chef, you know. I
Ha?
know about the cocktail, I know about the alcohol. I'm the bar chef.
Barser? Bounce?
Yes, I'm bar chef.
You
I know about alcohol, I know
bar
about the everything.
You are bouncer?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, bouncer pala si kuya. Hi, 6'7".
Kawan beti yaar ye murga.
One more. I want to get your 3-win streak.
My God, you won't get my 3-win.
I want to get your 3 nuggets.
Oh. Do you want to marry with the guy?
I'm not married with the guy.
What? Do you want to marry with the girl?
I don't want to marry with another guy.
You want the same guy like you?
Maybe.
Maybe. My God.
Yo.
Yes.
You want to marry me?
Yes.
Oh, where is the marriage contract?
Yes.
Marriage contract. You going to sign it, but you made me a beneficiary. Tama ba?
Pisari.
You have,
Pisari mutta madri.
did you have SSS, Pag-ibig PhilHealth? You're going to put me on your name. Marjorie.
Very good.
Make me beneficiary.
Dar. Beneficiary.
Yes. Insurance.
Okay. I can make you beneficiary, don't worry. I can put, when I send something like I can put in your name in the beneficiary at last, you know.
Hey, kunan na. Hi, Baggy.
Then that you deserve.
Huh? Para ka namang lasing. Ariel! You are look like drinking. You have ang hangover. Iragat anak ni Inangay.
गाली दिँदैन बेचारा हाँस्दै छ कि गाली दिँदैन यसलाई गाली दियो भने त यसको चाकमा हानिहाल्छु नि मैले
Wow, nala ka makita ay agungo man ni makutang. Bagi ni makoy data. How can I move on if you're still in love with her? Cause one day you wake up, then you will you see. And I'm never to give up when I never can see. Na, 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 na.
Amazing singer that I found in my life.
Ha?
You are the most amazing singer that in my life I found you.
Ah, I am the most comedian you found me in your life.
Yes.
Am I comedian?
You are the amazing.
Am I comedian? I am serious to talk to you. Then you say to me that I am comedian? OMG.
I have one question for you. Why do you speak English? Why you mix your language?
I'm disappointing you. Because
Why?
you said to me that I'm comedian. I'm very serious to talk to you and going
I'm
to
not.
tell me.
No, what that means? First you have to explain your language, okay? I'm not understanding your anything. When you speak English, you have to speak clearly English, not you mix. I don't understand your language, baby.
Language is Filipino. If I'm going to talk Filipino, you don't understand me, then I will sell you. Ibebenta kita, kuya, kapag sasalita ako ng Tagalog.
If you want to sell me,
yes, ibebenta kita kasi di mo maintindihan.
फ्रान्सिस्को गाइस के छ यार कमेन्ट गरौँ यार थेत्तेरीलाई मैले जिस्काएर के हो लाग्ला बोला अन्त जिस्काएर बोलाएन गाइस के छ अवस्था
Oy guys, agtap-tap kayo mamot, iparparangagdak manon ni
tap gare
Sige na na. May parparangad na manon ni tatang ni manongon. R.
Yes.
Your name is R and your loved one is R?
Yes, that's
Wow.
true. Amazing. How you know, baby?
Wow, congratulations! Mabuhay ang bagong kasal. Parikoy! Diyak maawatan, day tuwirik na. Parikoy!
मलाई कता व्यस्त भयो को छ है मलाई हेर्ने कोही छैन नि त यार कमेन्ट पनि गर्दैन नि त इन्द्रा हिम थेत्तेरी के हो कुरो हानु त थ्याङ्क
Ang
यू
yamot ton. Sanga kasut manan.
Yes.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
See you next year.
Really see you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. You have hangover. You now
Okay,
take
miss
and
anything.
you had no hangover. You,
No, anymore don't have.
You
It's
know
already
rest.
finished.
You need to take
Before
a
I have
rest.
now, no more. Thank you guys, thank you Ima, thank you.
Don't always
Ramila,
drink.
Thank you.
Don't always drink whiskey lullaby.
Bye, okay baby.
Jaguar. Whiskey lullaby.
Bye-bye. Do you have
One
any-
more, one more.
No, don't play one more, no. Okay, this is the last one, okay?
I want to catch your 4-win streak. Hindi pa ako.
You won't cut my foreign stick? No, it's difficult. This is the difficult.
No, it's easy to catch up that. I will share my live.
Okay, you can share.
Nobody online
If you
gifter.
share, how many people is gonna be upset the world, baby?
Nobody online. My gifter is on sleep.
Yes, nobody online, that's why. You are online.
I'm still loose to you.
I have one question for you.
What is your question?
You are the married or single?
I'm single. Why? You give me sidecar?
You want sidecar?
Yes, you asked me if I'm single. I have single motor
Yeah.
and there's no sidecar.
Oh, okay. I'm going to buy now, okay? Ajda, welcome. I'm going to buy now for you.
Thank you. Pants. Junior! Sige pa, nainayo na mata na abak tayo ni Alaan tayo for win streak na. Sige pa, guys! One more times 2, double tap. Everybody keep tapping the screen. Hoy! Junior! Thank you, Junior. Tap-tap ka pa yung
You are sharing live or no?
Ha?
You are still sharing your live or no?
Selling my live?
You are sharing your live or no? Still. You have to share more people, pa.
I have only 13. Thank you, Junior. Thank you, Ferdinand.
We have just 13 people.
13 people.
Just they are watching your face. Nothing, they are doing nothing.
Mm-mm. Rickman Mix
Don't
Vlog.
cry, okay?
Libra Much Love shout out. Hi, Romel. Uma! 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 Guys, stop the screen. everyone. Sige, Hil. Guys, magtap-tap naman kayo. Matatalo natin to pag nagtatap-tap kayo, guys.
Guys, tap.
Sige na, tap-tap kayo. Nagpapapinta
Guys,
sa
गफ गरौँ न यार हाम्रो तिर
Dapat
नि
yun.
सब मेरो गफ सुनेर लट्ठ हाने यार कसैले
Alam nyo ba, may ipit, you know, this is the very originate here in Chanel and Louis Vuitton.
Yeah, that I close for my clothes, maybe not for here.
Ano? No, this is not for clothes. It's all for my hair. This is what we call the Nepo babies. Nepo babies.
Nepo baby.
Yes. This one, did you know
Okay.
this? It's look
You don't
like...
deserve that kind of things, baby. Put out.
No, that's not put out because it's not for only
No,
clothes.
that's not amazing for you. You have to put out.
It's amazing to me, you know? It's encouraging.
No.
It's encouraging
When
more
I see you,
views.
no, it's not.
I am Disney princess for this clip.
Oh, you are princess, my God.
Yes.
Okay, this is the last. Okay.
Ay! Guys, nagtaplot na kayo. Last match na dagaw, guys. Oh, kunin lang natin yung 4-win streak niya. Dali!
Bicara dulu.
39 seconds to go. Everybody tap the screen, guys. Pare ko'y mayroon ka bang problema? Huwag mo nang sabihin na lang. In love ka ba sa isang Ilocana?
Thank you, Ramala.
Huwag mo nang sabihin sa kanya. Di ka naman sasagutin, hindi ka rin mamahalin. Peperahan ka lang at hindi ka niya gagaguhin. Oh! Go! Ano ba naman ito, di ba? Walang hiya, nagmukha kong tanga. Pinaasan niya lang ako. Okay, bye-bye!
Bye-bye, Miss Yanity. See you next time.
Bye!
Thank you, everyone.
See you next year! Guys, mag-out na din ako. Thank you to all of you. Miss Kalog is signing off. Bye! Santiago! Nasaan si Pedro Santiago? Ha? Santiago, ba't nasan si Pedro? Pedro! Sino naman to nag-invite? Remas? Hi! 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 Thank you, Sal James! Guys, stop the screen! Oh, hi! What's up, honey? Hi, Gregorio MacGregor. Yung man, thank you, Bert Window, sa pag-watch. Bukas ulit, Miss Kalog. Sige, Juner. Sir Romel Balacanaw, naka-live si Ma'am Violeta dito. Dato Donna sa YT po. Alam. Ayan, guys. Yung mga nandito na nag-i-stay, nagla-live pala yung mga kagrupo nyo. Pumunta na kayo doon. Hi, RR. Simple Man. Thank you for tapping the screen. Wilbert Vicente. Thank you for joining, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Sajins. Thank you so much, Sajins. Salman. Thank you, RR. Thank you so much, like this. No bashing. Have fun. Thank you so much. Hello, Lords. Matatalo na naman tayo nito. Shout out. Hi, Bread of Life. Pintas ka manang. Awan kipter ko dito toktik, guys. Mababa ka na yun. Naku pa, shoutout kami dito sa Isabela. Naubos oras mo sa bolerong kano. Miss Kalog, damagag man ada asawa mo. Kunana. Awampay. Awampay. Ano daw? Wala na kausap, ma'am. Gino-joke mo naman. Baka kontraktor yun, sayang. Kontraktor, traktor, aki dito taltalon. Nabangsit ta kilikilim kunana. Nabangbangsit kanyam kalkalaman si day tikilikilik. Data bagim ng ango. Hi, Mel. Thank you for tapping the screen. Agat kalaman si tikilikilik. Agat albatros. Listen, miss. Hi, Navy Sol. Shout out.
फिर असली आईडी तो आना अपनी असली आईडी है ते
Sabes que tú me eres lamándome. Tengo que hablar contigo hoy. Shout out Ibong Villaverde Purok 5. Hi, Bread of Life. Elevator Tech. Mate po official vlog. Shout out. None for Fun TV. Thank you for joining. Salamat sa mga bagong join dyan. Ilocos po ko. Ayan. Hello, Kabsat. Tamsak Dan Kalog. Thank you, Stitch. Wear clothes on your head some like your match partner wear. I'm not a Muslim. I'm not wearing for that because I'm not a Muslim. I'm not I'm from Philippines. Ordinary girl. I'm not India like that. I'm Filipina. It's summer here, you know. So, I'm wearing sando like this. Jose Marie Mojica, Reynald, it's me, Louie, pare ko. Salamat, guys. Last match ko na to, guys. Dumidilim na ang mundo. Walang ilaw. Thank you, Tolits. Thank you so much. It's me, Louie. Salamat sa pag-repost ng aking live. Pa-shoutout ading na Pintas from Abra. Hello, Angela Marie. Hi po, Ilocano po kayo. Ako po, Ilocano. Yes, Ilocano po ako. Pa-moderate ako ng makasubscribe sa mga followers po. Sige, Bread of Life. Hindi ko man kalain na nagpamahal. May pang-net na walang ilaw, haha. Mabait ka mag-live. Lahat ng comment binabasa mo, kaya masaya mga nanonood. Yes! Nagtsatsaga ako magbasa ng mga comment nyo kahit ng liit-liit na mga comment nyo. Pero yung iba hindi ko binababasa. Hi there! Beautiful eye. Hello po, Thomas Abrasado, Sherwin Bautista. Hello, shout out. Lorda Season, salamat sa mga bagong dyan. Okay, bye-bye Remas. Thank you so much. I will be going out, guys, tomorrow again. Happy to see you. Good night, good afternoon, good evening. People in the Philippines and United States of America and United Kingdom and Europe and Saudi Arabia and Indonesia, Singapore, Korea, New York, New Zealand, America, ay no, wow. Okay, bye! Nagtudaw, kangingiwat mo. Bye, guys! Thank you so much! Pag i-rewatch nyo to, guys, kapag i-replay nyo tong live ko, don't skip ads, guys. Huwag kayo mag-i-skip ng ads. Nakikiusap ako sa'yo, nagmamakaawa. Pag mag-reply ka, huwag mo nang mag-skip ads. Huwag ka lang mag-skip ads. Kunin mo na ang lahat sa akin. Hala! Mabuti kita! Kang sangham ni da, sawadik ka! Hi. Why I can invite you? What happened?
Mama?
Ayaw. Ay, na-invite na kita! I'm sorry. I only have 10 people. Ha? Me too, I have.
Dimple.
Yes, Dimple! Me too! Ha? I don't have people. Why you play with me? I don't have people. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. You?
I'm from Nepal.
Nepal. Nice meeting you. Hi, Purna.
Cutie girls.
Cutie girl, you too. I love Nepal also.
I love Nepal. Bonuboko.
Yes. Many people, many Nepali friend here, there, like that. I have some friend from Nepal, like Sagun, Prasan. I don't have that.
Thank you so much, Didi. Sister, thank you so much, sister.
Tanabak pa yun. King Star! Hello, King Star.
Sir,
Awan man
So
lang
sweet.
tap kanya.
Miss Man, thank you so much. So sweet. Dimple.
Purna! Hello,
So
Purna.
beautiful dimple.
Pretty little baby. Yeah, yeah. Pretty little baby. Hi, Megan!
Thank you so much. Didi, thank you so much. Same dimple pa rin yata.
I have no people here. I'm from Hawaii. Hi, Edgardo. Hello, Pretty. Hi, your beautiful John Paul Magistrato. Good morning, everyone. Ay, umaga na dyan sa Hawaii. Why you put clip on your hair, darling? Because I have no clip anymore. Because if I'm going to use like that, I am look like sugabang.
Thank you so much, Mogarnito.
This is my last match, guys. I am only have 2 minutes and I will be going out.
I love you, sister. I love you, sister. I love you, sister.
I love you too.
I love you. I love you.
Is there no one buying in your store while you're always going live? Yes. Sometimes
Thank you so
there's a
much,
customer to buy here. Because the house here in our place is 1 by 1.
Hey, mommy, that's how you
And
want.
love you so beautiful, but that clip is spoiling your look. I'm not. This clip is a Gucci. Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Hermes. But this one is Gucci clip. Ang daming lamok, guys. Lamok. Mosquito. Klipti-panti. Grabe naman, klipti-panti talaga. Hala, ang lakas ng ulan. Hindi na ako makakalipat sa bahay. Ang layo pa naman.
Bye-bye, sister.
Bye-bye. Bye, guys. Ganda lang ipit mo sa
I
labi.
love you.
Bye, guys. Thank you so much.